Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today I am going to show you how you can disable or how you can restrict screensaver setting for domain users. Okay, so suppose if you are working in any organization where there is a requirement to disable screensaver settings for all the users. Okay, so you can do that using group policy. You don't need to go to each user PC and need to disable that. You can manage it centrally via Active Directory group policy. Okay, so I'll show you step by step how you can do that. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a user from my channel IT Parivar, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Okay, let's start now. So let me go to my test PC. Okay, this is my test PC. Okay, let me show you one settings here for. Okay, let's do one thing. Right click on desktop and go to personalize. Okay, here you can see lock screen. If we'll scroll down, there is a setting, screensaver settings. Okay, you can click here and you can see here screensaver settings. If you'll click to this down arrow key, you will see here option 3D, blank, mystify, photos and other things. Okay, so if as per the requirement, user can set the screensavers. Okay, just for the testing purpose, let me show you here by just selecting this 3D text. Okay, so if you'll set this like maybe it's up to you, like what time you are setting or what user is setting up the time. Okay, they can do that. Okay, like wait for 1 minute. Once a screen will be locked, after 1 minute a screensaver will be started like this. Okay, or a screensaver will be visible if photos or anything will be set. Right, let me show you here just by clicking on preview. Okay, so you can see here once a screen will be locked. Okay, then screensaver will be enabled like this. If you enable just 3D or any photos, it will be visible like this. And if you want to disable this, you can do this. Okay, so that is what I am going to show you, how we can disable this option so that user will not able to set the screensaver setting. Okay, or user will not be able to change anything related to the screensaver settings. Okay, so for now you can see here I am able to change the settings. I am able to set the screensaver. Okay, and on this PC I have logged in using one of user account, that is test. Okay, so now let me go to my domain controller. Okay, this is my domain controller. Okay, here I have already opened group policy management. Let me close it and let me open from the scratch. So I have opened server manager here. You can see my domain name is itperiod.lan and computer name is DC1. Okay, let me go to tools here, open group policy management, and let's expand this. You can create here. Okay, or you can use any existing group policy. Okay, what I am going to do is here I am going to create one new group policy under group policy object. Okay, let's right click new and then type here like screen saver setting GPU. Okay, let's say okay. Once it will be created, right click on this, go to edit option. Okay, and let's try to configure the setting. Okay, what you need to do is here there are two configuration, computer configuration and user configuration. Okay, you need to expand this policies under user configuration. Okay, administrative template and then control panel. Once you'll go to the control panel, you will see here personalization option. Double click on this. You can click to standard. Here you can see enable screensaver. Okay, double click on this. You can just disable this option if you want to like user should not be able to do any changes in the screensaver settings. Like you can see here, if you disable this setting, screensaver do not run. Also, this setting disable the screensaver section of the screensaver dialog in the personalization or display control panel, right? As a result, user cannot change the screensaver option, correct? So let's just disable this, apply and say okay. So if you want to just disable the settings for users so that he will not be able to change screensaver settings, okay, you can just enable this option. Or if you have already set a screensaver related to the your company organization, and if you just want to like restrict users to, they cannot change that screensaver, okay, so you can just enable this option also, like prevent changing screensaver, okay. But if, as I said, if there is already screensaver settings set, right, if you already set a screensaver, then you need to enable this option so that user will not change any other screensaver, or they will not set any their personal photos or anything, right? That should be related to the organization only, or whatever you set from the uh, Active Directory side or using group policy. Okay, so you can just enable this option also in case if you have already set screensaver from domain side. Okay, now let's here few more settings like a screensaver timeout or anything. So if you want, you can configure this also. But as of now, just we are going to disable the screensaver settings so that user will not be able to change screensaver setting, or user will not be able to change the settings or set settings, screensaver setting. Okay, let's do one thing. I'm sorry. Let me reopen the group policies. I mistakenly closed it. Let me open. Okay, so as we already configured the settings, right, to disable the screensaver setting. Now what we need to do is, if you want to disable screensaver settings for all your domain users, you can link this group policy to the domain label. Or if you want to disable for few specific department, okay, for specific users, you need to just link this group policy to the respective OU, right? So suppose if you have any user which is under IT users OU, or any XYZ OU you have where users are laying or residing, then you just to right click and click to link an existing GPO, and you need to select the GPO. Okay, then that GPO will be get pushed for those specific users only, right? Here, what I am going to do is I am going to link this to domain label so that for all users, screensaver settings will be disabled. Okay, so just I'm going to select this and say okay. You can see here, this is linked to the root label or domain label, you can say, right? Let me close this now. Let's go to the CMD and type here GP update space / force. Sorry, something was wrong. GP update space / force. Okay. Once it will be completed, we'll quickly run on the client machine or on the testing PC. But if you don't want to check it instantly, you can just apply from the domain side, okay, group policy, and then you just need to wait for maybe 30 minutes or 20 to 25 minutes. The policy will be pushed automatically. Let's go to the testing PC, which is this. Okay, and this, as I saw you, this user test one. Okay, using this user, I was logged into this PC. Last time we were able to change the settings. Okay, let me show you again. Scroll down, screensaver settings, and still it is, enabled. But let me go to CMD and run GP update spaceless force, so that the GPO which we configured from the domain side, that will be refreshed or implemented on this PC. Okay, you can see computer policy update has completed successfully, user policy update has completed successfully. Let's close this and let's uh, close this also, and let's go to personalize again by right click to the desktop, personalized. Okay, you can go to personalization option by going to control panel also. Okay, let's go to lock screen, scroll down, and let's click on screensaver settings. You can see here your system administrator has disabled launching of the display control panel. Okay, so you can see here now this user is not able to go to the screensaver settings. Okay, so in this way, guys, you can disable screensaver settings for users, for your all domain users. Okay, and you can restrict it. Okay, so that user will not change or set their personal screen saver in your company or organization. Okay, so I hope guys this video will be helpful for you, and this is clear to you how you can restrict or disable the screensaver settings. So again, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. uh, like this video, share with your friends, and if you have any query or concerns, please feel free to drop a comment. Okay, leave your comment. Surely I'll try to help. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.